Hello guys, welcome my YouTube channel Maths Wala Guru. So guys, today we start the topic time and work. Okay, now we solve a first question. First question: A can do a work in 24 days, and B this work can do 9 days, and C complete work by 12 days. A, B and C starts the work, but after 3 days B and C leave and the remainder work done by A. After 3 days, B and C leave the work and remainder the work complete by A. So how many days? How many days remainder work done by A? Okay. So some guys A, B, C. A 24 days, B 9 days, C 12 days. Firstly, we take LCM. 24, 9, 12 by LCM is equal to 72. 72 divided by 24 is equal to 3. 72 divided by 9, 8. 72 divided by 12, 6. So guys, a 3 parts of a work done by 1 day. So total work 72. So A complete in 24 days. B 8 parts 1 day complete. So total work 72 done by 9 days. C 6 parts complete by 1 day and then 12 days complete work by 72. Okay. Now 1 day complete by A and C. 1 day complete 1 day work done by A and B, C. A plus B plus C. 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 3, 17. So they with each other 3 days, then 3 days total work. A plus B plus C is equal to 17 into 3 is equal to 51. Now reminder the work. 72 subtract 51 is equal to 21. 21 work complete by A. So how many days? 21 by A is equal to 21 by 3. Yeah, 7 days. So the remainder work A complete by 7 days. Okay, guys, if you and no understand, then you comment me. Okay.
Start.
Guys, now we start the second question. A can do a work by 20 days and B can do same work by 40 days. A start the work first day and B leave. Second day B work and A leave. And A work play this third day and B work fourth day. The work one by 1 day. Okay. So which days complete the work? Now first A, B. A 20 days, B 40 days. Now presently we leave LCM 40 divided by 2, 1. A 2 parts done by A 1 day, so total work done by 20 days. B 1 parts by done 1 day, so 40 days complete work. First day work by A 2 and second day work by B is equal to 1. So total 2 days complete work. Total 2 days complete work if A and B. A plus B is equal to 3. 3 is total 2 days work. Okay. Now 1 day A and B work 3 by 2. Total work is 40 days. So guys, 40 divided by 3 by 2, 80 by 3. 39 see 2 by 26 day 2 by 3. The work is done by 27 days. So guys, total work done by 27th days. Okay. Guys, the third question is A and B can do a work by 12 days and 15 days. A work done by 12 days and B complete work done by 15 days. They start together. They started together, but after 4 days, they leave the work and then remainder work complete by B. How many days complete by B? So, firstly, we take LCM A and B. A, B. A 12 days, B 15 days. 15, 30, 60. LCM 60. So 5, 4. A 5 parts complete work in 1 day. So 60 parts total work done by 12 days. B 1 day 4 parts complete work. Then total work 60 by complete by 15 days. So 1 day complete work by A and B. A plus B is equal to 5 plus 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, sorry. Together, but after 4 days. So 4 days work by A and B. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. Minus 36, 60 minus 24 is remainder. Remainder 24 work done by B. 24 B 1 day work 4 parts, then 24 work is equal to 6 days. So guys, we complete the remainder of work done by 6 days. Okay, now we start the next question number 4th. So guys, now 4th question is A and B can do a complete work by 15 days and 10 days. A complete the work by 15 days and B complete the work by 10 days. They lease work by 30,000 rupees. They lease work by 30,000 rupees. Then the lease money, how much money received by A and B. Okay guys, so now firstly we take LCM A and B. 15, 10, 30, 2, 10. A 2 parts complete work in 1 day. So total work 30 parts in 1 is done by 15 days. B 3 parts done by 1 day. So total complete work 30 parts by 10 days. Okay. 1 day complete work by A and B. A plus B is equal to 5. And A work done by 1 day. 1 day is equal to 2. So the total Actually, lease money is equal to 30,000 rupees. So A to total work with total A and B work by 1 day 5 and equals to 30,000 is equal to 6,000, 12,000 rupees. So A received 12,000 rupees in lease money and B received the 18,000 rupees. Okay guys, now we start the next. Okay, so guys, now fifth question is A, B and C can do a work by 20 days, 30 days and 60 days. Means A complete work by 20 days and B complete the work by 30 days and C complete the work by 60 days. A start alone work. A start alone work. But B and C don't work. But up third day he help B and C. A start alone the work, but third day he help B and C. Then by work. Okay. So how many days complete work by done? So A, B and C. A 20 days, B 30 days and C 60 days. LCM is also 60. 3, 2, 1. Okay guys. A complete work by 20 days, B complete work 30 days and C complete work 60 days. So first 2 days A work alone. So guys, first 2 days work is done by A. 1 day work A, then 2 days is equal to 6 days. 6. But third day he help B and C. Third day complete work. A, B and C. Three plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6. So guys, total work done by 3 days. Total work by 3 days. 6, 2 days, 6 is equal to 12. 12 parts are complete by 3 days. So total work 60 parts. 16 divided by 12 is equal to 5. 5. Then how many days the complete work? 5 into 3. 5 into 3 is equal to 15 days complete the work. Because the 12 parts are complete by 3 days, then 60 by 12 is equal to 5. 5 into 3 is equal to 15 days. So guys, now the next question you try and comment me answer. Okay. Guys, this question you try and answer. Comment sections are go to comment section and comment me. Okay. A can do a work by 10 days and B this work done by 15 days. So how many days complete work by A and B? Please try this question and go to comment section and comment. Okay. If you like my videos, then my channel Maths Wala Guru, follow, like and subscribe. Okay.